How to fix Steam too many login failures. Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to fix Steam too many login failures. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So the first method is to check the server of Steam. So you can head into your browser and then search for Steam server status and then click on the first link right here, which will redirect you to this. So as you can see, the Steam is not that hard or not that actually down. So as you can see, at this time of point it is down, but right now it is not down. So just look for your region right here and you can see if your Steam is down on that specific region. So the next thing you can do, or the second method, is to head over to Task Manager. Just click on your search bar right here, search for Task Manager, click on Open right here, and then just locate Steam on the apps that are open right now, and then click on End Task, and that should be able to restart or force start your Steam. So the next thing you can do is to head over to your Steam client, and then from in there, what you can do is to head over to your name right here, and then sign off of your account, and then after you have signed out, you can just log back in. Now if that doesn't fix your problem, what I will recommend next is to just head over to your browser, try to search for a reliable VPN. So in here you can try VPN Mentor, ExpressVPN, NordVPN, and all of the things that you can see in here. Just make sure to find the reliable one because sometimes the connection is not that stable in your country in order to bypass or actually open Steam. So the next thing that you can do is to try a Wi-Fi reboot. So if your Wi-Fi is not that strong, you can try to reboot your device. You can do so by clicking over on the power button and on some keyhole on your Wi-Fi. And then after that, you can head over to your browser and try to speed test. So let's search for speed test, and you can run the speed test right here in order to see the speed of your internet. So the next thing that you can do is to head over to a new tab and try to log in on your Steam via the browser. So let's try to log into our Steam. Click on Welcome to Steam right here. And then in here you can see the login button. So try logging in on your browser, and then from in there you can just log in. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to fix Steam too many login failures. If you have comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.